This is Tim here from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install WhatsApp on your Android phone. So just locate the Google Play Store, it might be in the Google folder, or you can just swipe up from the bottom here, just like this, and go to search, and type in play. And go to the Google Play Store right here, it looks like this. Then you're going to be signed in with your account, and just go to search, down here, go to the top, and search for WhatsApp. So let's go to WhatsApp right here, and it should auto-populate it for you. And we can see WhatsApp's down here. It looks like it's updating currently for me. So all I have to do is go to install, and I should be able to install it and download it to my phone. So once you have it installed, just sign in with your account, and it should bring up all your messages if you have those saved, and you should be able to use it rather easy. So mine is just installing right now, and it's taking a long time because I updated all my apps. So if you ever have to update WhatsApp, you can just go to the top right to your little profile picture and go down to where it says Manage Apps and Devices and go to Updates right here, and you should be able to update all your applications including WhatsApp in the future if there's ever an update. So mine is just being a little bit slow because I'm updating everything, but very easy to get this on your phone now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.